Rare Beauty really did the thing with this blush release. I am so impressed. Yes. Well, hello, cheers. So I know I just put out a trying new makeup video, but what can I say? There is so much new makeup that I want to show you guys. First of which is the brand new Jones Road Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. I teased you guys with this last video because I really wanted to try this, but the shade that they sent me was too deep for me. So now I have what I hope is the right shade. We'll find out. And then I am going to be swatching all of the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy blushes. There's 7 shades of these, and y'all, I have fallen in love with this blush formula. It is really special. It's very, very different from every other blush formula that's come out recently. This is a cream to powder formula, and it is absolute perfection. So I'm really excited to show you these shades. I'm gonna be swatching all of these for you, and I'm going to pick out 2 shades that I wanna highlight, and I'll put 1 on each cheek. And you definitely wanna stay tuned until the end of this video because I'm doing a giveaway. It is even better than the last Pro Choice giveaway that I did, and it is priced at over $700 worth of product. But before we jump into all of that, if you are new here, hello, my name is Cate. I'm an exclusively pro-choice influencer. That means that I only feature products from brands that are in support of abortion rights. If you are interested, I highly suggest you check out my pro-choice beauty brand list. This can always be found on Instagram as a pinned post, or it can be found on my YouTube posts. To my knowledge, this is the most comprehensive list of pro-choice beauty brands that exists. Okay, so before we get into the Jones Road Tinted Moisturizer, I always like to show you guys what I prime my skin with. So I am starting with the Dew Air Angel. This is their hydrating gel cream. I do about 2 pumps of that, and this is just one of those incredible skincare products that's amazing on its own, but it also sets beautifully underneath makeup. It's light and hydrating, yet it has a soft matte finish. And all that means is that it's not like a super dewy finish to this. This really is such a cushiony formula, and it creates this cocoon around your skin. So your skin stays hydrated all day, and it just has this beautiful finish to it. I always like to tell you guys what I'm drinking. What can I say? I love a Prosecco, and this is a Rosé Prosecco. This is just Mia Netto Prosecco. I feel like this is pretty standard. I feel like you can get this pretty much anywhere, and it's a delicious Prosecco that doesn't cost a lot of money. So refreshing. Okay, I am very excited to go in with this. I have been hearing a lot about this new Jones Road Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer. So I have this in the shade Porcelain. To be honest, I could have probably tried Alabaster, which is the lightest shade, which is a pale with pink undertones. I think this might be perfect because summer's coming. I always get a little bit of color in the summer, and I think the lightest shade might have been too light. So this retails for $44, and this is a lightweight tinted moisturizer that conceals redness and evens out skin tone with light coverage. It improves hydration and protects skin's moisture barrier from water loss. It's the quickest way to feel put together without looking like you've done anything. So what I'm getting from this is like super light coverage, just giving you a beautiful polish to the skin. I am going to be swatching the shade I have along with the initial shade that I was sent, which was too deep for me. Okay, so this is the shade Porcelain that I'm going to be trying today. And then we have the shade Fair right there. And you can see that doesn't really look like something I would call fair. I think the shade names are like a little bit off. I think the shade Fair could be okay for me come summertime, and I'm using the Fenty body sauce a lot more, but this is definitely a much better match. Upon first application just to my hand, I really like the feel of this. It definitely feels like a hydrating foundation. So this is just reconfirming that this is a super duper light coverage skin tint. This is also supposed to take away redness, which I do have quite a bit of pink in my skin, so that's perfect for me. This is actually the perfect shade for me. I'm really glad I did not go to the lightest shade. This really feels like skincare with a little bit of coverage. This literally just looks like my skin, and honestly, it's gorgeous. I really like this formula. If you are someone who is looking for like the most minimal version of a skin tint, I think you're gonna love this. I love like I said, the polish this is giving my skin. And then in extra places where I want coverage, I'm gonna go in with a concealer and spot conceal here. Going in with my Tower 28 concealer in the shade DTLA. Jones Road really killed it with the timing of this release, because I think this is a perfect spring and summertime product when you just don't want the same amount of coverage that you would have in the fall and winter. I am really impressed with the shade match of the Just Enough, and I truly feel like it is the epitome of fresh. Y'all, I have been using retinol for the last 2 weeks. I've kind of like added to my skincare regimen, so I need to do an updated skincare regimen video here soon. But let me tell you, it is making a huge difference. I actually have committed to both retinol and vitamin C, and you know, I trade off. What a difference those two products have made. Like when I wake up, my skin is giving glass. So there is the Just Enough Tinted Moisturizer combined with my Tower 28 concealer. I am loving this combination. It is perfect. I am super pale right now, so all I need is but a whisper of bronzer slash contour. Okay, the blend of all these products together is actually making me angry. So I stepped off camera, did my brows and my lashes, and now we are going to jump into the new Rare Beauty blushes. So these are the new Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blushes. These retail for $27. There are 7 shades. This is a cushiony cream to powder blush that gives the dreamiest flush of color with a lasting blurred matte finish. It gives an airy cloud-like flush that looks like a dream with the most weightless, natural matte finish that won't settle into creases, emphasize skin texture, or dry you out. Easy to apply and layer, wear it bright and bold or blended for a softer effect. Water, sweat, and humidity resistant for serious staying power. Enriched with cacao seed and a nourishing blend of pomegranate, papaya seed, and rosehip oils to keep skin hydrated. Okay, so here are the 7 shades, starting with the shade closest to my wrist. Hope, which is a nude mauve. Happy, which is a cool pink. Worth, which is a true rose. Grateful is a soft red. Alive is a bright coral orange. Thriving is a bright raspberry, and Truth is a soft plum. I cannot get over how beautifully these swatch, and I have to say, these are truly one of the most blurring cream blushes I have ever found. The only other blush I can think that could compete with this in terms of how beautifully blurring this is are the Ami Collet blushes, and I've been raving about those for years. I feel like nobody talks about those, but they are such a special cream matte formula. Well, that's exactly what this is, though I would argue that this formula is even more lightweight and soft. I'm feeling like the shades I'm gonna go with are these 2 shades right here, which is Hope and Happy. This is what the formula looks like in the pan, and it really does have that almost sort of like bouncy souffle quality to it. Okay, I know that some people are afraid of cream blush. This is the cream blush for people who are afraid of cream blush. The way that this just seamlessly applies to the skin, I barely have to do anything to this. I don't have to work on like blending out the edges, anything like that. It is absolutely gorgeous. And like the description said, you can do a light layer of this, or you can go bold and build it up. I'm gonna build it up just a little bit more so you can really see what the shade can do. What? That is so gorgeous and natural and flattering. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Happy, which is a soft, cool pink. You know what this is reminding me of? This is reminding me of the Rare Beauty, I believe lip soufflés is what they're called. I love that product. And this has like the same formula and consistency of that product in a blush. Guys, I can't get over this blush application. Okay, so there you have Hope over here and Happy over here. And honestly, I don't think I could choose. They're both so beautiful. This formula is blowing my mind. All right, I'm gonna go in with Happy over on this side too, just to kind of make everything look cohesive. I don't even know what to say. This is truly a very special, unique blush formula. Rare Beauty really did the thing with this blush release. I am so impressed. And these also have like a staining quality to them. Like you can see on the fingers where I've swatched this, there's still like a little bit of a tint. So I think this is going to make a fantastic lip product as well. So let's try that out. So I'm gonna go in with my Rhode Peptide Lip Shape in the shade Press. I'm gonna be monochromatic and I'm gonna go in with the shade Happy. This took literally almost no effort to apply to my lips with my finger. And it gave me exactly what I'm always looking for with a matte lip product. I want my lips to look blurred out, kind of pouty, kind of almost like they have a stain to them. And I want it to feel lightweight, like I'm not wearing much at all. Oh my God, I am so in love with this as a lip product. Has anyone talked about this on the lips? Blown away. Absolutely blown away. And you guys know that normally I would like add a gloss because I'm a gloss whore, but you know what? Nope, I'm not, because this is absolute perfection on its own. Yeah, I just have to say this might actually be one of my favorite Rare Beauty releases ever. I didn't even need that Rhode lip liner because this is just so good on its own. And circling back to the Jones Rhode Just Enough Skin Tint, I love this. I feel like it gives my skin this beautiful glow and gleam without looking like too dewy and like erring on the greasy side. All right, so now we've reached the giveaway portion of the video. If you guys do not know, I have a membership to my channel. It is called the Good Job Gang, and membership is one of the several ways that I keep this channel going and I'm able to bring you guys content like this. It is $4.99 a month, and I've been trying to think of great perks to give you guys. So on top of starting members only lives, which is going to be starting up soon, but to add to that, I'm also going to be doing giveaways for my members. I accumulate so much amazing product that there's no way I can get through it by myself. So I thought, what better way to, one, not waste product, but also give back to my members as well. This giveaway is even better than the last Pro Choice giveaway I did, which was on Instagram. There is over $700 worth of products in this giveaway. This is a combination of cream of the crop products. So we've got skincare from In Beauty. I've got skincare and makeup from Merit Beauty in here, Jones Rhode, almost all of the Tower 28 powder blushes. 4 of the Merit Beauty Flush Balms are in this giveaway, and 2 of these shades are my favorite shades of all time, Stockholm and Fox. Also, we've got 2 of my favorite brushes of all time, which are the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Brush, which I just used for you guys on camera, as well as the Jones Rhode Bronzer Brush. If you guys are interested in this giveaway and upcoming giveaways, as well as live streams, make sure to join my membership, and the link to join that is going to be down below in the description box. And again, a huge thank you to all of my members. Literally, you are one of the reasons that I can keep bringing you pro-choice beauty content. You guys are the best. Please stay safe out there, and cheers till next time.